Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a battle of two of the most famous video game characters, and that is Mario versus Sonic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun video today. Now to start off with Sonic versus Mario, let's begin by drawing Mario. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to start by making a small little oval shape for the eye of Mario. So we'll just make a little oval shape right there. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make another oval shape. And then I'm going to just make a small circle at the top, and I'll color in the rest. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves across for the bottom of the eyebrow. And then I'll make one that's going to curve up and down for the top of the eyebrow. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up. And next I'm going to make the nose. So to draw the nose, we're going to begin by making a big curve shape that goes out, and then it's going to come back to here. Next, I'm going to bring a little line that curves up for the top of the mustache. Next, I'm going to go down and up, down and up, and down and up for the bottom of the mustache. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and curve up. And right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up for the mouth. And I'll make a little curved line in there for the tongue. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line around for the cheek. And then we'll curve a big shape around here for the ear. I'll make a little bump with a curve in here too. Now, starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up right about there for the hat. And then next we got to make the brim of the hat. So I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then we're going to bring it right back to here. We'll bring this line up. Now for the hair, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down and up, and down and back up right there. For the hat, I'm going to bring this line up and bring it down to here. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line up and down towards the ear. And then I'm going to bring this line, I'm going to curve it around and then down. I'm going to make a curve shape right here for the circle. And then I'm just going to make a letter M inside there. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up for the neck. And we'll make a little curved line right around here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to curve around and come up for the suspenders. And I'll do another one here. We're just going to go down, and we're going to pull this right back up for the suspenders. Let's go ahead and add a circle inside each one for the buttons on the suspenders. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. I'm going to curve this down, and then I'm going to bring it back for his arm. Then I'm going to bring this down and in. We'll curve a line across here. Next, on here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then come back up. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line around, and I'm going to curve it in. And then I'm going to bring this line down and around. I'm going to bring a line in. We'll bring it up here too. I want to make another line that's going to curve around, and then one more to make it look like he's punching. Starting here, let's curve this line down, and I'm going to curve this line down here. Right here, let's bring this line down and around. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and we'll just curve this up here. We'll bring this line down and in, and then I'm going to curve this around and come down here for the shoe. I'm going to bring this line in a little bit, and then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down like this. And then another one's going to go in, down, and we're going to curve it around. We'll draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to curve it around and then bring it up to here for the other shoe. Bring a little line here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around and then bring it back for his other arm. We'll make a line that's going to curve down and up. Another one right here. One right here. And we'll do one more right here. We're going to bring a little line down here for the thumb. And we'll curve this around. Next, we want to come over here and we want to make Sonic. Now, to start off with Sonic, I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make his eyes. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this up here. Then I'm going to make another line that's just going to come up here and then in. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then up. And then I'm going to curve it to here. I'll make a little oval shape for the nose that I'll just color in, leaving a little bit white. Then I'm going to bring a line down here. I'm going to make a tall oval shape right here. And I'll color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. I'm going to curve this around and bring it up to here. I'll make a little curve and then a smile right there. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line around, and we're going to come up here to a point and then bring it back. Right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up and then down for an ear. And we'll make another shape just like that with a line across. I want to make another one that's going to come out to a point and back. And another one's going to come out to a point and back here. I'll make a little shape that's going to come out and then down with a real skinny little triangle shape there. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to come down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve down for the body. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down for one of the legs. I'm going to go down, I'm going to bring this up, and then back in. Make another line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around here. Then I'm going to bring a little line up. I'm going to make two little curves right around here. And two more curves like that. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to bring this back and then up. Then I'm just going to make a line across the bottom. And then two lines up here. Right here, I'm going to make a curve shape here. And then one more here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down and then bring it up here. We'll draw a curved line around. And then I'll draw two more points right up here. And I'm going to bring this up. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down and around, and I'm going to curve up. One more line that curves here. One that curves here. And one more right here. Make a little line here. And then a line's going to come out and then down here. I'm going to make a little line across. We're going to make a curve here. And a little line's going to come out and then around to here. And then one more little line here and then down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then up here. And we'll put a little pointed line out here for the tail. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and then bring it back. Then I'm going to make a little curve here and then another little curve right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up for the thumb and it's going to come down, kind of like it's blocking Mario's punch. I'm going to bring this down here. I want to bring this up and down. This one up and down. And we're going to curve this one here. Then I'm going to bring this down to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Sonic versus Mario. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.